Hey everyone, let's talk about CombindAI. So I'm Porter Gardner, the technical co-founder and engineer at CombindAI, and we've built a platform that uses AI to build connectors between APIs and BI platforms. Any feature requests, any feedback, we'd love to hear from you. It's you guys that shape the product. All you have to do is let us know. So a little overview on how a connector is built with CombindAI. So first off is going to be your source. It might be your billing platform, your CRM, or any other source that has an API that you can get data from. You're also going to have your destination, your BI platform, whether that's Domo, Tableau, Power BI, just to name a few. The actual bridge that's going to connect those two is going to be your connector on CombindAI. Let's just give you kind of an example of what that might look like. The example that I want to go over today is just busy times to Domo from Calendly. And so this specific connector is going to take all of your busy times from the current week and put that into a data set into Domo. So you can build a dashboard out of your busy times, and maybe you can do it with all of your sales reps to see who's the busiest and any other kind of data that you might need. To get started, we'll just show you the calendar. Looks like we've got 6 events. It's going to be the blue ones that are syncing over. So as you can see, we have 6 rows for each event. And then we will, let's just say, add another event. Today, we'll say we're going to have dinner with somebody. And so it runs every minute, so it won't show up right away, but it'll show up really soon. So while we're waiting, I'm going to show you kind of an overview on how you might create a connector with CombindAI. So first off, you're going to need your destination, and for us, it's going to be Domo. We already have it, but I'll give you a little walkthrough on how you might do it. You're going to give it a name, you're going to give it a description, and then you're going to choose what platform you want to go into. So for us, it's Domo. You're going to enter in your client ID, client secret. For this, it's not going to work because we haven't filled everything out, and these are wrong. We'll skip the destination creation, but then we'll go and actually create the connector. Busy times from Calendly. You'd put in Calendly for your source since that's where the data is coming from. You choose your destination. You give it a quick little description of your data. So just like busy times for the current week for the current Calendly user. And then you'd give it a schedule once every minute, and then go in and actually create the connector and it'd write all the code. So it'll send me an email. I'll go in, review all the code, make sure it's an elegant solution. From there, we'll deploy it, and you can actually go in and see the connector. You can see how often it's running, if it's having any errors. You can change the schedule later on as well. Or you can just request me to go and make a change too, totally free of charge. And so that's kind of basically how a connector works and how you might interact with your connectors with CombindAI. And so we'll just go back, double check. It worked. At 7 rows now, we have that dinner right there. That's a connector with CombindAI. You can connect any API to any BI platform. We'd love to connect your data for you. If you have any questions or feedback, please contact us. You can contact me on my personal phone number, 307-747-3410. You can book a time with me on Calendly. There's a link on connectwithbind.com, or you can email me at porter@connectwithbind.com. You can also email my co-founder, Kyle, at connectwithbind.com as well. Anything you have to say, we'd love to hear from you. And thanks for your time. Hopefully you got a good sense of what Combined is and what it can do for you. And we'll see you next time.